Welcome to Pro 2 Reviews. What I want to show you today is Skil's PowerCore 20 Slim Vacuum. This is the VA 1200 D10, and you can see how thin it really is. Let's take a look. So when we look at the tool, we take out our hose. There's actually on the groove on the top where the hose storage is a place where we have a crevice tool integrated. We also have a brush integrated. So let me move these to the side so I don't knock everything off the table. Show you how those work. So set this down. So your brush attachment simply just attaches like this and allows you to, use a brush attachment to maybe work at some more difficult places. There's little arrows on here showing you which direction this goes and is installed, so you install it properly. And it's as simple as that. Now, as far as the crevice tool, same thing. This just simply pushes into the tool and allows me to use this as a crevice tool, and it's pretty narrow, so should be able to get pretty good reach into most places. So we have that. We've installed our clips on the back. This is where the battery would insert. So again, 12 or 20 volts, so we can go either direction. It does come with the 20 volt 2 amp hour battery, so that clicks in like this. Simple as that. So it doesn't make the tool any larger in order to store that battery in there. This battery is nearly dead, so I have another battery ready to go here. And for demonstration purposes, I'll show you that it also works with a 12. So I have a charged battery here. What's nice with the Skil batteries is there is a little button on the battery that I can click and see my power level. Now, what's nice is if we're charging the tool, here's where your USB-C charger would plug in. Plug this right in, just like that. So now plug this into the wall and we'd be all set to charge this battery. Now, as far as powering goes, see how the 20 volt fits in here? The 12 volt also does. So here's a 12 volt battery plugged in as well and fits right up inside there without issue. So if you've bought in the 12 volt platform, no problem here. You can have some spare batteries. So let's see here. We go and turn it on. It actually seems to have quite a bit of suction. And also, if you notice, there's a plus or minus button here as well, which will give you a high and a low type of setting on here. Now, one of the other things I was trying to figure out is how do we use it as an inflator? So suction seems pretty good on that. We're actually going to test it out. I'm going to take it out of my car and see how good it actually does at sucking up debris. If you notice, it did come with inflators as well, so we can use this for dual purpose. We can use this to inflate an air mattress or maybe a pool tube. Simply take my inflator attachment, and this clicks into right here, which would be the exhaust for the vacuum, and clicks in place nice and sturdy. And so I'd be able to plug into that mattress, and if it's a pool tube or something like that, here's your smaller size, it clicks on the top of that. So we can get into either size. Now, there is no onboard storage for these guys, so you're going to want to make sure that you hold on to these and don't lose these. The same as there's no onboard storage for your cables and chargers. So these are things that you might put in your glove box or somewhere like that so you don't lose them. I do like the fact that there is onboard storage for these other items though, and those again just are simple as brush goes there and your crevice tool just inserts in here. And when I'm all done, this just goes around to the other side. So very simple, and again, incredibly compact. I mean, we're talking maybe 2 inches, 2.5 inches wide tops. So very, very compact here. So I do have some sawdust inside of the car. Working in a shop like this, it does tend to, so I do have some sawdust in the floor of my car. Working in a shop like this, it tends to gather in our shoes, and I carry it around with me. So let's see if this actually will suck it up. So. All right, so I do have some sawdust from the shop here in the, let's try that again. All right, so I do have some sawdust from the shop. Let's see if this will actually suck it up. I'm just gonna use a regular mode here. Let's switch it to the brush. Whoop. Yeah, and it was able to suck up everything without much incident. This does come with a 5-year warranty, can be had on Amazon for $129. I am curious, is this something that you would buy and keep in your car? Leave me a comment below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do that so you don't miss out on any of these videos. And as always, thanks for watching.